She opens her book in the morning.
She opens her book in the morning.
The clear morning sun rises in the eastern sky.
The clear morning sun rises in the sky.
When her mother Bina comes near her, Minnie asks her,
When her mother becomes near her,
Minnie, Mummy, aren't you my mother?
Minnie,
Look at the screen and read. No need to look into your book. Lyric ying druju yare. You look at the screen, okay? The blue highlighted color dog. Adu to aiki mathan da paroba. Mother, why do you ask me that? I'm your mother.
I'm your mother.
Minnie, then why do people call nature a mother?
Then
Mother, oh, I tell you about it. Nature also is really our mother. Minnie, Mummy, how can nature be our mother? Mother, nature is the place where we live. She gives us things that we need to live. She takes care of all of us. She is like our mother. So she is the mother of all. Minnie, but I haven't got anything from nature. Mother, look at the sun. He gives us light. At night, the moon gives us light. Rain gives us water and we breathe air. We do not remember them because we can use them freely. Our food comes from the land and water. Minnie, Mummy, are the trees part of nature? Mother, yes, the trees give us many things of life. They make the earth cool and cause rainfall. Minnie, Mummy, what about mango? Is it a tree?
What about mango?
Mother, yes, it's a tree. It gives us fruit. Some trees give us fruit.
Mother, yes,
Trees cause rain and give us shade. When they are dry, they give us wood and firewood.
when they are
Minnie, but Mummy River brings flood. Is it good? Mother, rivers give us water for drinking and cultivation. Without water, we cannot live. When there is more rain, sometimes there is flood.
When there is
We must control it. You know we use fire.
we must
But if we do not control it, it may burn houses. So rivers are quite useful. Okay. Minnie, Mummy, nature is very good to us. We eat sweet fruits and we grow food. Mother, now my darling, you know that nature is our mother.
My darling, you know that nature is our mother.
Now, without looking into your exercise copy, please answer these questions. What does the sun give us?
And light.
What does the moon give us? Why is nature called our mother?
Nature is
What do the trees give us? Okay, now please answer these questions. You need to say it a little faster. You can't go slow, okay? We have to cover so many lessons. Now say, I come down from the cloud, I give water. Who am I? Very good. I stand on hills and plains. I give shade to all. Who am I? I come out in the morning. I give light to all. Who am I? At night, I look at you. I make the world bright. Who am I? Don't say simply in one word. Say it in a sentence. I am moon. I am sun. I am rain. Say it in a sentence. Okay. You do not see me, but I make you breathe. Who am I? Okay. Now you tell me the answers. Match the following. Okay. I'll ask you this. You tell me the answers from here. Okay. Nature is good. You tell me the answer. Next, trees give us shade. Next, rivers are roads for water. Very good. Fruits are good for health. Now arrange the sentence properly. Fruits us make healthy. Fresh in air breathe. Trees the earth make cool. We should trees on the earth plant. Nature a part of our life is. Okay, very good. Next, you tell me the spelling of nature. Next, mountain. Shade. Cultivation. Firewood. Okay, now you answer these fill in the blanks. I am a tree. I have big. I have many. I have many dash too. They are dash. I give dash. I give flowers, yes. The flowers are dash in color. I bear dash also. People plug them when they are dash. People make table and chair from my dash. I am dash to man.
I am useful to man.
Okay. Okay. Now next. Lesson number 8. We will start with lesson number 8. We will do the reading, okay? Papa, good morning, Itoibi. Itoibi, good morning, Papa. Papa, have you brushed your teeth? Itoibi, yes, Papa, I have brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Yes, Papa.
Papa, remember that is the first thing you should do in the morning. Where is your mother? Itoibi, she is praying. Papa, what's Bungo doing? Is he still sleeping? Itoibi, no, Papa, he has brushed his teeth and washed his face. He is now polishing his shoes. Bungo, good morning, Papa. Mama is calling you. Tea is ready. Papa, good morning, Bungo. Come on, let's have breakfast. Itoibi and Bungo, good morning, Mama. Mama, good morning to all of you. Come on, have your seats. Children, did you do your homework yesterday? Okay. Itoibi and Bungo, yes, Mama, we finished our homework last night. Mama, good. Bungo, let me see your nails. Bungo, they are short, Mama. I cut them yesterday. My hair too is short. Mama, yes, yes, your teacher will love you only when you have neat and clean hair. You should have neat and clean uniforms too. Teacher does not like dirty boys and girls. Bungo, oh, my teacher loves me. She is very kind to me. I love her. Itoibi, my teacher too loves me. Papa, yes, yes, I know both of you are good children. You love your father and mother. You love your teacher and your teacher too loves you. You are good in your studies also. So both your mama and papa are very happy. We love you. Now eat your breakfast. It's not eat your breakfast, not like that. Now eat your breakfast. The full stop, before the full stop, you have to conclude and your voice should be according to that. We love you. Now eat your breakfast. Now eat your breakfast, not like that, okay? You need to use voice modulation when you're doing the reading, okay? Next. What is the first thing that Itoibi did in the morning? Tell me the answer. Okay. Is Bungo still sleeping? You need to go a little fast. Is Bungo still sleeping? How do the children greet their mother? Have Itoibi and Bungo finished their homework? Does a teacher like dirty boys and girls? Say the spelling of morning. Washed. Early. Clean. Dirty. Now tell me this. He gets up at 5 a.m. Then he dash and dash. Dash 6 a.m. He dash 8 a.m. He dash to school dash. Then he dash school at 4 p.m. Now here I will use blank, okay? In the this part 5, here I will use blank. The boy and the girl dash pass the examination. Has or her. The animal dash away. Chauba and Tomba dash to school. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, okay? Just you, Vijayalakshmi.
I'm here, madam.
Put your hands up, put your hands up. Let me see. So many children, I can't find you. Phone managda kanano malangchak chare makuni yam tae ba yam kanna howe ba. Okay, Vijayalakshmi, it's okay. And I will spot this girl also. This girl. Okay, I told you to change your name. Change the name. No, not now. Afterwards, Nanki Ming do onto hai ba Nanki Ming do kari hoina to hai 77E6549B. Laptop ki the number hoina to leba. I'm telling you once more, please. What you do is that you please rename your laptop on your name, okay? Wait, let me go ahead with English 1. Lesson number 11, Wali, the last lesson for first term. Siamuka Parasi, okay? Okay, let's read the conversation. This is a conversation between a man and a little girl, and both of them, they met at the bus stop and they were talking with each other. What they were talking, we'll just read it here. You please repeat after me. Razia reads in class 3. She is going to school. She is waiting for the bus in the waiting shed. There is a man near her. He is Mr. Rai. He is smiling. He is smiling at Razia. He is talking to Razia. Rai. Hello, my little girl. I am Rai. What is your name? Razia. Good morning, uncle. I am Razia. Right. What a beautiful name. Nice to meet you. Where do you live? Razia, uncle, I live in that village. It is called Paradise Village. Right. Do you know the name of your state? Razia, yes, it is Manipur. I am a Manipuri. I am a Muslim. Right. What are your parents, Razia? Razia, my father is a farmer. My mother looks after us. Right. They must be very hard-working person. Do you love them? Razia, oh yes, I do. Right. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Razia, I have 2 brothers but no sister. Right. In which class do you read? Razia, I read in class 3. Right. What is the name of your school? Razia, it's Kids Tower School. Right. When do you go to school? Razia, at 7 a.m. Right. Do you go alone? Razia, I go with my friends. Right. Who are your friends? Razia, Rina, Reni, Tina, Amina, and Hoinu. Right. How far is your school from your home? Razia, it's about 1 kilometer. Right. What do your teacher teach you? Razia, they teach us English, mathematics, and other subjects. They also teach us good manners. Right. Do you play games at school? Razia, yes, we play games. Right. Do you like stories? Razia, yes, my grandmother tells me stories. Now, who is doing this stuff? Right. How many students are there in your class? Razia, about 40. Right. What do you want to do when you grow up? Razia, I want to serve my country and my people. Right, you are really a nice girl, Razia. May God bless you. Razia, thank you, uncle. Langlen and Thoibi Noiki Kenudo, it is your picture is coming very blurred. Langlen and Thoibi, please you rejoin again. Your picture is coming very blurred. I can't see you properly. Okay, now the part with the question answers. What is the name of Razia's village? Paradise Village, yeah. What does Razia's mother do? What is the name of the state in which Razia lives? How many brothers and sisters does Razia have? What do Razia's teacher teach pupils? What is Razia's aim of life? My name is Dash. Your name. I live in village or town. Village hoigadra, town hoigadra, tell. Town. I read in class. Section B. I am dash years old. I go to school at dash o'clock. Now this is one word. You have to separate the words into two. Either you have to add plus, like football. You have to say it in this way: foot plus ball, football. Okay. Now grandmother, tell the two different words. Grand plus mother. Breakfast. Teapot. Peacock. Birthday. Postman. Playground. Blackboard. This part will not come, so you can omit it. Till this much is there for your first term, okay? So, next day, now listen, next day, we will do computer and Hindi, okay? English one has been finished, so we will do computer and Hindi. And so I would want you guys to be thorough with the question and answer of computer lesson number 1, 2, and 3. Understood? I will also write it in the group. After we revise all our subjects, English 1, computer and Hindi, after that we will start with the small 10 marks test, okay? Okay, then till then, bye-bye all of you. See you next day. Next Wednesday again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.